Hello, everyone. Welcome back to day 3 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge on Learn with Riaz. I am Riaz.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy to see your dedication again today. Ready to build more confidence?
Absolutely. But before we start practicing today's 130 sentences, please take a second to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay with us throughout this challenge.
Yes, make sure to subscribe so you never miss day 4 tomorrow. Let's start the practice. Listen carefully and repeat after us.
Where are you going right now?
I am going to the office.
Did you finish your breakfast?
Yes, I had some eggs and toast.
Is it raining outside?
No, the weather is quite clear.
Can you open the window?
Sure, let me do it right away.
Where did you put my keys?
They are on the kitchen table.
Do you need any help with this?
No thanks, I can handle it.
How was your weekend?
It was very relaxing and peaceful.
Should we order some food?
Yes, I'm feeling a bit hungry.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
Can I borrow your pen for a second?
Of course, here you go.
Did you watch the news today?
No, I didn't have any time.
Why are you laughing?
Because you said something funny.
Is the internet working fine?
Yes, it is very fast today.
Where do you want to sit?
Let's sit near the window.
Have you ever been to Islamabad?
Yes, I visited it last year.
Can you turn down the volume?
Sorry about that. I will lower it.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my notebook.
Did you lock the front door?
Yes, I locked it twice.
How do you feel about this project?
I think it's a great opportunity.
Can we take a short break?
Yes, let's stretch for 5 minutes.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I've been driving for years.
What is your favorite color?
I really like the color blue.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I don't have any plans.
Can you repeat that, please?
I said we should start now.
Where is the nearest washroom?
It's just around the corner.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I received it a minute ago.
What do you think of this shirt?
The color suits you perfectly.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer hot tea in the morning.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
How do I look today?
You look very smart and professional.
Can you hold this for me?
Sure, give it to me.
When does the train leave?
It leaves at exactly 9 p.m.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, the medicine really helped.
Where did you buy this book?
I bought it from an online shop.
Can you show me how to do it?
Yes, it's very simple to do.
What are we waiting for?
We are waiting for the cab to arrive.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
I'm just going to stay home.
Is it too cold in here?
Yes, please turn off the fan.
How much does this cost?
It costs around $10.
Can you pass me the salt?
Here you go. Help yourself.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept like a baby.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a professional educator.
Are you ready for the test?
Yes, I studied all night.
Can you turn on the lights?
Sure, it's getting dark here.
What is making that noise?
I think it is the old refrigerator.
Do you believe in luck?
I believe in hard work more.
Where is the main exit?
Follow the red signs over there.
Did you see my phone?
You're holding it in your hand.
What time does the shop close?
It closes at 10 o'clock sharp.
Can I taste a bit of this?
Yes, tell me how it tastes.
Are you angry with me?
No, why would I be angry?
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages fluently.
Can we discuss this tomorrow?
Yes, that works better for me.
What is your favorite movie?
I love classic motivational stories.
Is it safe to park here?
Yes, this is a legal parking spot.
How do I restart this machine?
Just press the red button below.
Do you need a ride home?
No thanks, I'll take the bus.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a beautiful valley.
Can you keep a secret?
Yes, you can trust me completely.
What are you cooking for dinner?
I'm making some fresh pasta.
Did you pay the electricity bill?
Yes, I paid it this morning.
How do you stay so energetic?
I exercise and eat healthy food.
Can I call you back later?
Sure, call me whenever you like.
What is the date today?
Today is the 30th of June.
Is this water safe to drink?
Yes, it is filtered clean water.
How long have you lived here?
I have been here for 5 years.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, let me explain it simply.
What are you reading right now?
I'm reading a motivational book.
Did you invite your friends?
Yes, I sent them the invitations.
Is there anything I can do?
Just wait here for a moment.
How do you pronounce your name?
You can just call me Emma.
Can we go there by walking?
Yes, it's only 10 minutes away.
What brings you to this city?
I came here for my studies.
Is the pharmacy open right now?
Yes, it stays open 24 hours.
How often do you go shopping?
I only go once a month.
Can you hand me that towel?
Here you go. Grab it.
What is wrong with this computer?
I think it needs a quick update.
Did you hear that loud noise?
Yes, it sounded like thunder.
Is this bag too heavy for you?
A little bit. Can you help?
How do you handle stressful situations?
I take a deep breath and stay calm.
Can I leave my luggage here?
Yes, it will be safe with me.
What is your favorite season?
I absolutely love the autumn season.
Did you lose your wallet?
No, it's safe inside my pocket.
Is it difficult to learn English?
No, it just takes regular practice.
How can I improve my pronunciation?
By listening and repeating after us.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
The traditional cafe downtown is amazing.
What time do we start tomorrow?
Let's start at the exact same time.
Did you attend the meeting?
Yes, it was highly informative.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is one right across the street.
How do I join the channel membership?
Just click the join button below.
Can you bring me some water?
Yes, give me a few seconds.
What is your plan for tomorrow?
I'm going to practice day 4.
Did you enjoy this practice session?
Yes, it was absolutely wonderful.
We successfully completed 130 sentences.
Wow, incredible job, everyone. You have successfully finished day 3 of our Fluency Challenge.
Excellent. You all did amazing today. Type day 3 done in the comment section so we can personally see your progress.
Please share this video with your friends and family to see if they can finish the challenge too.
See you tomorrow for day 4 on Learn with Riaz. Take care of yourselves and goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone.